Now let's move forward to third variation. Okay, third problem. So our third problem is set ith bit. Okay, we have cleared the ith bit. Now I want to set the ith bit. Okay, so if I'm taking example of 5, it is nothing but 0 1 0 1. Okay, and this is my first bit, this is my second bit, this is my third bit, this is my fourth bit. Okay, and I want to, let's just want to set second bit. I want to set the second bit. So how I can solve this? Okay, so let's write this 0 1 0 1. Okay, I want to create a mask. I don't know what that mask will be, but I will find out. Okay, now I will use some operator. It can be bitwise or it can be and. Okay, so it can be left shift, right shift, whatever. Now I want to create a mask. Okay, and I want to set this. So this is my second bit, this is my second bit. I want to set it, I want to set it. So if I want to set it and I want to keep these bits, I want to keep these bits as it is. Okay, so if I'm using bitwise or, if I'm using bitwise or and I want to keep this bit as it is, what I can do, I can just do 0 0 0, right? So if I do bitwise or with zeros, the other bits will remain same. Okay, if I do bitwise or with zeros, then the bits, these bits will remain same. Now for this bit, for this bit I want to set this bit, I want to set this bit. So what I can do, I can just take it 1 here, right? If I take 0, no effect will be there. If I take 1, then what will happen, this bit will set to 1. Okay, so it will be 1 1 1 0. Now in this answer, in this answer my second bit is set, my second bit is set. Okay, so this one is easy, right? If I want to set a bit, what I want to do, I want to just take 1 with my bitwise or. Okay, and rest should be 0. Now how to create a mask, how to create a mask, I think that should be easy, right? We have done it already. So I will take 1, okay, and I will do left shift by I minus 1 times. That's it, that will be our mask, right? And I will do bitwise or, I will do bitwise or with my number. Okay, so that will result in setting the ith bit. Okay, set bit means 1 and reset means 0. Okay, so if I tell you I want to set a bit, that means I want to put 1 in that particular bit. If I want to reset the bit, that means I want to put 0 in that bit. Okay, in that position. So I hope this will be clear to you.